Hey, Scott Jordan here for the Bullen Companies, and we're talking about old and new packaging. This is the old. It's a 5-gallon bucket. You've seen these before. They've been around for a long time. It's heavy, 46 to 50 pounds to pick it up. At one point, OSHA even was considering regulating whether or not people could pick these up because you throw your back out picking up 50 pounds if you don't do it right. It takes up a lot of room in a landfill. It's got a lot of plastic. It's seen its days. VersaPack is the answer to the 5-gallon bucket dilemma. We now have the ability to do two 2.5-gallon bag-in-a-boxes that equal that 5-gallon bucket, or it's also able to be shipped as a single unit, so 2.5 gallons. So it bridges the gap between a gallon package and a 5-gallon package. So one VersaPack can take care of 2 SKUs, so you can reduce your inventory. And speaking of inventory, those 5-gallon buckets, you can get either 24 or 36 on a pallet. The VersaPack, you can get 48 on a pallet. So it's going to take up less space in your warehouse. Comes configured with either a spigot, which is great for being able to measure out, or you can connect directly up to a blending system. There's a connector that fits right onto that spigot, connects right up with a hose to your blending system. Or the pour spout like a typical gallon. So if you're doing stripper or floor finish where you maybe empty out a large amount of the product out of the package, you go with a screw cap. Great graphic ability as far as decorations on it. Everything you need with one package that's going to take care of 2. You're going to eliminate your gallons, eliminate your 5s. Ships fantastic with FedEx, UPS, and their dynamic shipping environments, and that means throwing them around. It'll hold up to that abusive kind of handling that FedEx and UPS does as far as their package handling. So it's the best of both worlds. VersaPack. Ask your salespeople for more info so you can see a sample of it. And if you need to hear more about it, you can go to bullenonline.com. Thanks a lot.